Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to uninstall or remove Microsoft app that you download and install on your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, take a look at this particular app right here in my Microsoft Store. Right here, this app here has been successfully installed on my Windows PC, but I want to uninstall it. And when you get to the app in the Microsoft storage right here, you find out that there is no way to uninstall the app. So the more you scroll down, the more you can see there is no way you can uninstall the app. So what if I told you right here that you can still remove this particular app from your Windows PC if you are no longer using the app to free up more storage space on your Windows PC? Let me show you how to remove it. First thing first, come down below right here, your startup menu. Click on your start menu, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on apps. So under the apps right here, go ahead and make sure you click on install apps. Then search for the name of the app that you want to remove from the App Store. So I'm going to go back to the App Store right here. So this is the name of the app right here. So I'm going to Control C to copy the name of the app. Then I come back right here and paste the name of the app and hit enter. So you can see app right here. So this is the app right here. Next thing we want to do to remove this app, we want to click on these more options right here. Then we want to make sure we click on uninstall. And this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on uninstall. And allow the app to completely remove everything, including the storage sense about the app, just like so. So if I search for the app again, it's no longer found right here. So if I close this here and I press Ctrl V to paste the name of the app, it's no longer found right here. So let's go back to my store right here. So right here, you now see that it has changed to install. This is because I have already uninstalled it from my Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.